Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Tune to Linux. In this video I'm going to show you how to patch a Linux system. Patching is a very important part in all the operating system. It is not only the Unix which you are using, whether it is Linux, Solaris, HP VX or IBM AX. So you need to ensure that your system is up to date and all security fix, bug fix are installed in your system in order to avoid security compliance. So there are many bug fix release every time in Redhat side, and also if you're using SUSE, then it will be in SUSE side you will be seeing a lot of bug fix. For example, LVM related bugs. So currently if you are doing an LVS and LVS command output is not giving, and that could be a bug. Due to that you are unable to list the LVS output. So what Redhat does, if Redhat find this bug which is causing LVS output problem, they will release one fix and you have to install those bug fix. And apart from that, there is also security fix, which is your security compliance in your environment, which lead to leak your information. So those are the security fix you need to install in your system and they are up to date. And apart from that, there are vulnerabilities. So there are many vulnerabilities in past 6 months I have seen. So those vulnerabilities you have to patch, otherwise you would be in a risk. So that's why patching is very important role. I mean, as a system admin, as a Unix system admin, you need to know how to patch your system and make them up to date. Okay, so in Redhat it is pretty much simple. If you compare with Solaris, it is very simple, and also it is AX. I would say AX is also not complex, but as compared to AX in Linux, it is I found it is very easy and there won't be much problem. So currently my system is Red Hat Linux, which is running LSB, which is 6.2 version, and you can see the other way, LSB release -a, and here you can see the distribution ID, description and other information about your system. So it is currently 6.8 and I'm going to upgrade 6.2 and I'm going to upgrade to 6.8. So the stable version in major release 6, it is 6.8. So I'm going to upgrade to 6.8, and I have downloaded the package, I have downloaded the DVD and create a repository. This is my DVD. In this location I just create one directory here and I have copied all this file in this location, and I also create a repository. Let me show you the repository here. If you go inside this location /etc yum.d, yum.repos.d and ls, you can see those are the files, and there is a file I have created, this one patch.repo. If I get this file, you can see this is the location where I kept all these RPMs. Correct. So you have to create one repository. So this is a local method which I am doing, and there are other ways of patch your system. So first thing is, if you have RHEL classic subscription, so that is a paid subscription which we need to buy. Okay, so if you have RHEL subscription, then you can register your system with RHEL directly and you can fetch all the information, what are the new updates, what are the new patches release, security fix, bug fix. you can see all of them and you can install them directly from RHEL. And there is another method which is called Redhat satellite server. So this will act as a proxy system, proxy server for RHEL. So once you have a Red Hat satellite server configured, what it will ensure? It will ensure to download all the new updated packages, bug fix and security fix are download to this local satellite server, and you can register your local system, this system for example P as in to Red Hat satellite server, and from there you can install the package. And third method which I am using is the local repository, and fourth one is you can use the local repository, but it would be like from network. You have configured a local repository in a different system and you are sharing that repository through FTP or HTTP, right? So these are the methods you can use to patch your system. So depends on your environment how you guys have set up your system. If you have cluster subscription, then you can register with RHEL. If you have satellite server, you can register this local system with your satellite server and you can patch. Okay, so to register your system with RHEL directly, you have one command called RHEL -register. RHEL _ register. So if you run this command, okay, so here one widget popped up and given some error here. I'm not sure why. Okay, let me try in this window. RHEL register. Okay, but here it is giving some problem due to, double check with the location provided is correct. If not correct, you can try again. So there is some issues due to what I'm unable to run this command. But anyway, let me tell you what is going to you need to do. So when you do a RHEL register, it will ask for your ID, your Red Hat subscription ID. You have to provide that ID, and also it will ask for a username and password, and the username and password you have to provide. Once you provide that username and password, it will register with RHEL and you will be able to see that one local repository under your system, and you can see that running yum repolis command. Okay, so currently it is saying RHEL 6 and RHEL 6.8, which are the local repository which I have in this system. Okay, so and if it is registered with RHEL, you would be able to see the patch information directly coming from Red Hat. Okay, so this is how you have to register, and you also have one option called spacewalk -channel, and if you do -l, here it is saying unable to locate system ID file, nothing is registered here. So the other way of checking, like yum repo list, you can also check this one, but this is usually when you register your system with satellite server, we use this command. And for example, you have to use -c and you have to provide your channel name, your satellite, when you create a channel in your satellite server, for example RHEL my satellite channel, I'm just giving a name, and you have to give the username and also password. So I don't remember currently, let me just do a man here. Okay, so add, remove, -u we have to provide, and you have to give the username, also password, and -c for channel. Okay, so those three are the options like this. -c is my channel name, and -u just a user called admin, for example, and -p is the password, and you have to give the password here. Okay, so once you do that, it will register your system with Redhat server, and you would be able to see the repository. Right, so let's do the installation or upgrade. So currently I have, like I showed you, it is 6.2, and I'm going to upgrade to 6.8. and here in repo list it is, I can show you here that this is an 6.8 package which is available in this repository. So it is very easy. So here in yum there is a command called yum update. So you just have to do yum update, right? So once you do a yum update, it will update all the packages. So before that, we also have command to check whether how many packages are available for my system which needs update or which require update. Okay, so these are the packages which is listing currently from 6.8 repository. So these are the packages, and if you want to just count it, then just do a w-l, and you can able to see here around 500 packages which is require update. So this is how we can see, and there are other option called security. If you wanted to check summary yum update info summary. Okay, currently it is not showing because it is not registered with RHEL or satellite, but usually if you registered, then this command works. And you can also update, like you can check for security update info -sec, or I think the other command is security, somewhere it would be there. Let me just do in a different way. Security. Okay, I just tested that few minutes back. Okay, so 1 minute. -help. And let me see what is the option for security update. So here it is. So you can check like this, yum update info -security, and currently it is not showing, like I said, it is not registered, but if you run this command, you would be able to see this. Okay, so and if you wanted to update specifically security, then you have to just do yum update -security, then your all security package is going to install and it will going to update. Okay, so for now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to update this many packages. So I just need to run a simple command which is yum update. Let me just run here yum update, and this is it. And once I run this command, it is going to check all the dependency which is required to update these packages, whether everything is available or not, and it is checking all this information here. Okay, so momentarily we will see how many packages is going to install and how many package is going to update. So there is a summary it has given here, which is saying 21 packages is going to install newly, and there are 493 packages which is going to upgrade. Okay, so this is the summary, and now I'm just going to say yes, and it will going to start my installation. So it will take some time to install all these packages. So meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll just pause my video and resume once it has completed. So you can see my package installation process has been started, and it is updating some of the packages, and there are some packages which is installed newly. Okay, and there are total of 1007 packages which is going to install upgrade. So this will going to take some time. So here you can see those packages has been installed. Now it is cleaning up, and we are about to finish our patching here. So let's see, and it is just taking a little time. So you can see this is the history here. It is all updated, and after that the all packages cleanup has been started, and currently we are here, and now finally it is verifying those packages which is just installed and upgraded are in healthy state, and if there is any broken files or RPMs, so that has been checked now, and you can see here the dependency install and everything seems to be fine. So this is it, guys. So we have just upgraded the your RHEL 6.2 from 6.2 to 6.8. So currently if you just run this command, and you can see Redhat Enterprise Linux Server release 6.8, and also you just have to check lsb underscore release -a, and here it is showing 6.8. So we have successfully upgraded our Redhat version, and we are all good. So let me just clean up. I think it is already done, but let me just ensure that one more time. Okay, so here you can see it was about 80%, and once I have cleaned up, it is saying 79. So at least we have saved some of the file, and in case if you run into file system full issue after your patching, you ensure that you run this cleanup command, which will help you to clean all those old packages in cache. So those will going to remove, and you will free up some space here. And the final steps is once you have upgraded the system, you just need to reboot it, because there are many packages which is installed, and it is recommended always to restart your system, because it is not only upgrade or install your normal packages, there are some kernel, new version of kernel also is going to install. So you have to ensure that you are restarting your system. Okay, so this is my RHEL 6.8 system now, and my system is going to boot momentarily. Since it is a VM, it is not going to take much time. And it is trying to boot up. And 6.8, you can see a little different window as compared with the old one. So it is booting up. So here is the window for login, and I'm just going to log in and ensure that my system is up and everything seems to be fine. So this is it, guys. This is very much easy in Linux you need it is very much easy how to patch your system. Okay, so like I showed you, you have to follow the procedure, and please try to upgrade your system and let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and also please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, it will help you only, it will benefit you only, because when you subscribe my channel, I will update in future. When I update a new video, whether it is relevant to you or not relevant, you will have one notification. If it is relevant to you, that may benefit you, and it is not going to harm anything if you subscribe. So please subscribe my channel, and also if you like this video, please hit like in YouTube. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.